What's going on, guys? In this episode, we're looking at the FAA Part 107 practical test. What is it, and should there be one? Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, Art here off the Dome Media Group. Let me start off by first saying that currently there is no FAA Part 107 practical exam. This is another viewer question. So the question went something like this. So you mean to tell me that if I meet the requirements, have $150, and can pass the FAA Part 107 exam, that I can get a remote pilot's license and put a 54-pound flying machine into the air, even though I have no clue how to fly a drone? All I could say was yes. While I'm hoping this scenario is rare, I'm sure it's happening. On the other side of the flying fence, fixed wing and rotor pilots are required to have airman certification tests. These tests used to be called practical tests or check rides. Basically, the pilot candidate is required to demonstrate his or her hands-on flying skills, with the instructor sitting next to them in the aircraft. The check ride is pretty extensive, as you can imagine. I put a link in the description below to the FAA site with the checklist, if you want to read them and nerd out. So the question is, should there be an FAA Part 107 practical exam before you get your remote pilot's license? In my opinion, for what it's worth, I'd say absolutely. I think anyone going for their FAA Part 107 license has a plan as to how they're going to benefit from the license. As with any industry, it typically comes down to skill and not the gear. The better you are at something, the more in demand you tend to become. So with that, I feel that someone seeking a remote pilot certificate should be able to demonstrate maneuvers and procedures safely. As I always say, at the end of the day, it would only make you a better, safer pilot, and you'll have more fun. Okay, that's my 2 cents for the day. What do you think? Should there be a practical exam before you get your Part 107 license? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you don't already have your Part 107 and you're thinking about getting it, check out remotepilot101.com. The link is in the description below. As always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share. And more importantly, fly safe. Peace.